Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel, to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Scandinavian Airlines Bombardier CRJ-900LR and SAS's most recent and current billboard livery. This aircraft is powered by two General Electric CF34 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 14,510 pounds force or 66 kilonewtons at full power. This aircraft can carry anywhere from 76 to 90 passengers, depending on layout. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 447 knots or 829 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 1,600 nautical miles or 2,900 kilometers, with a standard load on board. This CRJ-900LR was initially slated for China Express Airlines. As can be seen in these photos, the aircraft was already painted in the China Express Airlines livery, but due to unknown circumstances, China Express never took possession of the aircraft after it was completed in 2012. The aircraft was taken into possession by First Financial Insurance and sat at an airport for several years with the registrations of November 151 Mike November and then November 666 Romeo Delta. From 2016 to 2019, the aircraft, while operated by Nordica and with the Nordica livery, received stickers from Poland's LOT Airline and SAS. In December of 2019, the aircraft was fully acquired by SAS and repainted in the current SAS livery, while still operated by Nordica. By March of 2020, the aircraft was named Dvalin Viking. As of 2023, the aircraft continues plying the skies around Northern Europe. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft, released in 2021. Our sources have this as one of two production runs for this aircraft, this one by Gemini Jets and the other one in 1/200 scale in the Nordica LOT livery, as released by JC Wings in 2023. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.